This fruit will make your liver 20+ years younger. The tamarind fruit is great for eliminate fat in your liver and can treat almost all liver problems. The fruit will detox your body, improve your digestion, protect the liver, lower cholesterol, cure any problems with the bile and improve your overall health. Ingredients: 2 handfuls of peeled tamarind, 1 liter of water, honey and brown sugar. Put 2 handfuls of peeled tamarind and put them in a blender. With a liter of water, boil the mixture for 15 to 20 minutes. Leave it to cool down afterwards. Add some honey and brown sugar if you like. Drinking it twice a day, in the morning and evening, will cure any problems with your liver and improve your health.
Stay healthy and positive.